Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to count using your fingers. Most people have two hands and both of them have fingers on it. So here's how to count using your fingers. First, make sure both of your hands are in a fist. Then, usually starting with your right hand, extend the finger right here. It should be next to your thumb, which is the finger off to the side. Bam. After that, you can say 1. After that, extend your middle finger. That's the one in the middle. Then, you say 2. If you want to say 3, you then have to extend the one after it. 3. After that, extend your fourth finger. Then, you can say 4. And finally, you can extend your thumb and say 5. Now, what if you want to count using more than 5? Well, you can bring in your second hand. So I have my first hand here, already counted to 5 on it, and now I'm going to bring in my second hand. You can repeat the same exact steps, except keep this hand out and count to 5 on this hand. So then you can go 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Remember, the numbers go in that order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!